I'm your host, Kenneth, and this is Plant Power Live. Joining me is the queen of green herself, our resident plant biologist, Dr. Lee. Doc, tell people what's going on.
As we all know, carbon is the backbone of all life on Earth, but for our plants, it's everything. Carbon is everywhere, in our DNA, proteins, carbohydrates, and lipids. When your plant breathes in carbon dioxide, it goes through tiny pores called stomata. It's not just chilling, it's preparing to do photosynthesis, the process that powers through every leaf, system, and root.
So carbon is like plant food?
Even better, it's the main ingredient for plant food. Sunlight, water, carbon equals glucose, which fuels plant growth. No carbon, no photosynthesis. No photosynthesis, no plants.
But hey, not everyone's convinced. We brought in someone who's been struggling with plants.
Natalie tried everything to save her plants. Misting, talking, singing, even playing whale sounds for them. Nothing worked.
Like, just grow!
That's the thing, plants don't need it, they crave it.
Exactly! My plants are like carbon connoisseurs. I literally exhale next to them for extra growth. But with the new product, Element C, your plant can thrive without the hassle of trying to remember to talk and sing to your plant every single day.
So what? I just spray my plants?
Talk, invite them to brunch, spray them with Element C, but most importantly, make sure they've got access to carbon dioxide and light. Most people don't think about how vital it is.
Wait, where can I even find carbon?
Well, first of all, the new product, Element C, makes everything easier, but also it's found in the atmosphere, so talking to your plant helps its growth tremendously. Carbon has a short residence time, but fully removing it from the atmosphere will take a long, long time, so it's not going away anytime soon.
So when I breathe out, carbon goes everywhere?
Carbon is everywhere. Carbon is found in the atmosphere, hydrosphere, and the biosphere. Carbon stays in fossil fuels and sedimentary rocks for millions of years. Coming in just behind that, the deep ocean can hold carbon for thousands of years. Depending on the lifespan of the organism, the residence time of carbon into the atmosphere is generally low and ranges from days to years.
Photosynthesis takes carbon dioxide from the air and turns it into sugars, the plant's energy. Without that carbon, the whole system breaks down.
Honestly, I set up fans to circulate carbon dioxide in my greenhouse. I even do yoga with them. Inhale, exhale, plant gains.
Wait, so Element C is gonna solve all my problems?
Plant food helps for sure, but carbon, that's the OG energy source. It's like trying to power your car without gas. You need it in the equation. Element C is the greatest thing for your plants. On a real note though, burning fossil fuels disrupts the carbon cycle and it is the largest impact that humans have on the carbon cycle. It releases millions of years of carbon stored in the atmosphere, overwhelming processes like photosynthesis and ocean absorption. Thawing carbon that is stored in permafrost creates positive feedback on the environment because it adds greenhouse gases into the environment.
So here's the deal. You technically don't need to buy a bottle. You don't need a subscription, but you do need to understand that carbon is essential and your plant survival depends on it. Element C will make your plant troubles wilt away.
Open those windows. Let the air flow. Position your plants where they get sunlight and air and watch the magic happen.
Okay, you've got me convinced. I'm gonna go buy Element C right now.
You heard it first here, folks. Carbon, the silent MVP of your plant show.
Carbon, because life is better with leaves.
Hey everybody, why don't you get out there and buy Element C? I love carbon, you love carbon. Element C is just for you.
Tritons, buy Element C today.
Like plants.
No.
I love plants.
We love Element C.
I love Element C.
I love Element C. We all love Element C.
I use Element C every day.
Me personally, I love Element C. You should buy Element C. 1.
I love Element C. Go buy it.